everyone, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Microsoft Teams and Office 365 Groups Administration. I am a Microsoft MVP in Office Apps and Services from Montreal, Canada. Microsoft Teams has taken the productivity world by storm. In its first 2 years, it has already reached over 20 million daily active users across more than 500,000 organizations across the globe. As more organizations start to use Teams, it's important for Office 365 admins to know how to properly configure and administer Microsoft Teams in their environment. In this course, we're going to learn how to configure and manage Microsoft Teams and Office 365 groups. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include Microsoft Teams and Office 365 Groups architecture, the basic of Teams and Groups administration, planning and configuring Teams settings, and managing Teams and Office 365 Groups external sharing. By the end of this course, you'll know the different tools you have available to manage Office 365 Groups and Microsoft Teams and how to use them to have full control of your environment. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive for Business from an end-user point of view, as well as be familiar with PowerShell. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other Office 365 administration topics with courses such as configuring and managing SharePoint Online, configuring and managing OneDrive for Business, configuring and managing Microsoft 365 workload integrations, and configuring governance and compliance for Microsoft Teams and Office 365 groups. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to manage Microsoft Teams and Office 365 groups with the Getting Started with Microsoft Teams and Office 365 Groups Administration course at Pluralsight.